Breaking economy news. Holy mackerel, inflation is back, and so is a March Fed rate hike. Let's go. Okay, did you hear the news? It was like a cannon shot heard round the world. There's inflation out there, and it's the Fed's own indicator, PCE inflation. It's not just CPI inflation that's hot. Policy is hopelessly behind the curve. That is, if they didn't break the curve by flatlining interest rates at zero for so many years. The bond market's been down so long, it doesn't know what up is anymore. Core PCE inflation was 1.4% in December, okay, and now today in January it is up 1.7% year on year, jumping 0.3% in the month to start the year, putting it close enough to the Fed's 2% inflation target. If inflation is 2%, the Fed has to have a neutral, normal, short-term interest rate in place. And right now, at 0.5%, rates are hundreds of basis points away from normal. What's the bond market doing? Well, 10-year yields were 1.77% before the PCE inflation news at 10 o'clock New York time, and now they are still 1.77%, showing how broken the fixed income markets are in the U.S. by failing to reprice securities on important news. What else? Consumer expenditures are out for January, helping us to firm up our 2.5% real GDP forecast for the first quarter of 2016. Another winner for the outlook, with real spending jumping 0.4% in January, and December was revised up 0.1 from 0.1% to 0.2%. Don't be fooled by 0.2 this, 0.4 that. It's big, and it shows the consumer didn't give a fig about what was going on overseas and all that global financial market volatility. And heck, where is China anyway? And why does that matter for us here in the USA? That's what consumers seem to say by clearing out the racks and stores and in stores and shops across America in January. They're spending it. Right now, with data just for January, real consumer spending is up 2.4%, with 2 more months to go in the first quarter. Incredible how healthy the economy is. Net consumers revved it up a notch, and inflation quickened as well at the start of the year. Recession? What recession, the consumer seems to say. They've got the income, and they're spending it. This is astonishing news that inflation is back, the Fed's own PCE inflation indicator. How did they get it so wrong? The economy is stronger, much stronger than they think. We think the Fed has to put a March rate hike back on the table in March in a hurry. Bet on it.